Hi everybody, this is Fagunsha from Integration Lab. In today's video, I am going to share Appscript, Google Appscript with you, which you can use to send data to Public Connect Webhook or any Webhook in the world in a chunk of data. Okay, so let me show you what I mean by that. So here you can see we have total of 100 rows of data. Now we do not want to send everything in a single go. Pabbly has a limitation that one webhook can only be triggered 300 or 400 times in a minute, right? And then you will start getting errors. It's not delayed. You will immediately start getting error if you try to trigger the webhook more than that, right? So if you want to send, let's say, 10,000 rows of data to Public Connect webhook or any other webhook, it will be errored out. So better way to do this is to send them in chunks. For example, you decide that okay, I will send only 5 data at a time, then after 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes it should send another 5 data. That way you might be able to avoid the rate limit of Public Connect webhook capture and also the action application as well. For example, you are sending data to sending bulk messages via SMS or WhatsApp, then you can basically send 5 at a time, right? Not more than that. Every minute you can send 5, then maybe another 1, 5 or 10 minutes you can send another bulk. Now to do this, you obviously can set up the automation inside Public Connect that it picks up n number of rows every x minutes, right? I have a video on that as well actually, but that setup is not very straightforward and sometimes it is very hard to set up as well, right? So I figured out a easier way with little bit of extra features, so I wanted to show you that part. Let me go to the GitHub repository that you need to use for copying, right? So first of all, you need to, I will put this link in the description and open that link, then go to a file called code.js. Okay, open that up. You will see this copy raw file button here or the icon here. Click on that and it will show you the copied part, right? Now remember, you do not need to have a GitHub account or you do not need to know how to use GitHub at all, right? This is just for hosting my code here. You need to copy this part, go to your Google Sheet, make sure you are logged in into a incognito mode because it will ask for the authorizations. This is same as installing Pabbly webhook app as well, right? Then click on extension, go to Appscript. It will open a new file here. Let it load. Do a control A to select all and then just delete everything currently present, right? Then do control V. We have already copied the code from GitHub and now we have pasted it. So here we click on save. You can name the project whatever you like, it doesn't matter. Webhook bulk send, I would say. Hit rename. Right now, if we go back to our GitHub repository, there is one more thing you need to copy called setting.html. So copy this as well, then go back to your Google Sheet, click on this plus icon, click on HTML, name it settings, like this. Again, remove everything, control V and hit save. Now this is done. What you need to do is go to your Google Sheet tab and just refresh the whole page, and you will see you have now a new menu item or new menu bar item called Webhook Sync. Click on it and click on update setting. It will ask you for the authorization. Obviously you need to give permission to it. By the way, this is a private app. The app script is only running in your Google account. I am not collecting any kind of data, not even the analytics part of it. Okay, I am just sharing the code with you. Okay, so first you need to mention the sheet name that you want to use. So for example, we do sheet name here. Now we need to capture, need to have a webhook to capture the data. So I will copy the Public Connect webhook. I have already kept it in advanced mode so it can capture the array. I will paste the Pabbly webhook URL here, and let's say we want the size as a 10, right? And interval should be only 1 minute. Okay, by the way, you can mention the start and end row as well. By default, it's just starting from the second row till the last field row, last row with the data, right? So for now, I am not touching it, and I will just click save settings. It will take few seconds to actually save it. Click OK, and then the dialog box will automatically close. Click on the Webhook sync menu one more time. Then you need to click on send test batch just to capture the data on the Webhook URL where you are trying to receive the data. In our case, it will be Pabbly Connect. So here you can see it created a new tab called Webhook logs, and it will log every batch which is sent by the Appscript, right? Now we go back to Pabbly. Here you can see that we have captured the row number 11, 2 to 11, right? So total of 10 items. And this helps because Pabbly has maximum 500. So imagine you are having a data of 5,000 rows or 10,000 rows. Appscript like this will help you a lot, right? And in order to start the processing, you can click on start processing. If you want to stop the status, stop the status. Check the status, basically you can check the logs, or it will show you where you are right now. Let's click on start processing, and you can see it will send the first one immediately, and then it will keep sending more data every few minutes. Not every few, actually, I think so. I have set it at as every 1 minute, right? So yeah, that is the plan. For example, let me just add a text formatter here for now, and we will do something like this. uh, okay, let's check the history of this particular workflow, and you can see it has already captured two times, 45, 46, and sorry, 45. Yeah, so first time it triggers immediately, and second time it triggers uh, for the 1 minute change, but first two will be within 30 seconds most of the time. After that, it will be one every minute, or whatever you have set it up, right? So currently it is 4:46, 14, 15, and within next 20 seconds it should trigger again. While we wait for it, make sure you have subscribed to my channel to get more videos like this, right? That will basically motivate me to create more free stuff like this. Thank you. Now let's come back here. Let's refresh our history page, and it should be here any minute. Yeah, here you can see that it has now captured the third bunch as well, right? And if I take you to the Google Sheet logs, here you can see what data is sent, at what time it was sent, and everything, right? So yeah, I will put the link of the Appscript files in the description of this video, and you can use this for free. There is no charges for it at all. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.